There are thousands of islands in our universe. There are some islands that are small in size and some islands that are big. Greenland is the largest island in the world, which is also the most beautiful. In today's episode, we will learn about this largest island and why it is so popular with tourists. Greenland is the world's largest island, located in the Arctic region of North America, mostly within the Arctic Circle. It is the larger of two autonomous territories within the kingdom, the other being the Faroe Islands. The citizens of both territories are full citizens of Denmark. As Greenland is one of the overseas countries and territories of the European Union, citizens of Greenland are European Union citizens. The capital and largest city of Greenland is Nuuk. Greenland lies between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans, east of the Canadian Arctic archipelago. As of 2021, Greenland has a population of 56,421. Greenland is the world's largest non-continental island and the third largest area in North America after Canada and the United States. It is between latitudes 59 degrees and 83 degrees north and longitudes 11 degrees and 74 degrees west. Greenland is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Greenland Sea to the east, the North Atlantic Ocean to the southeast, the Davis Strait to the southwest, Baffin Bay to the west, the Nares Strait and Lincoln Sea to the northwest. The nearest countries to Greenland are Canada, with which it shares a maritime border to the west and southwest across Nares Strait and Baffin Bay, as well as a shared land border on Hans Island. Greenland also contains the world's largest national park, and it is the largest dependent territory by area in the world, as well as the fourth largest country subdivision in the world. Greenland is known for its vast and mostly ice-covered landmass. It has a diverse landscape that includes glaciers, fjords, and mountains. The Greenland ice sheet, one of the largest ice sheets in the world, covers about 80% of the island. The total area of Greenland is 2,166,086 square kilometers, of which the Greenland ice sheet covers 1,755,637 square kilometers and has a volume of approximately 2,850,000 cubic kilometers. The lowest temperature ever recorded in the Northern Hemisphere was recorded in Greenland, near the topographic summit of the Greenland ice sheet on 22 December 1991, when the temperature reached minus 69.6 degrees Celsius. The average daily temperature varies over the seasons from minus 5.1 to 9.9 degrees Celsius. The weight of the ice sheet has depressed the central land area to form a basin, lying more than 300 meters below sea level, while elevations rise suddenly and steeply near the coast. Greenland is home to two ecoregions. There are approximately 700 known species of insects in Greenland, which is low compared with other countries. The sea is rich in fish and invertebrates, especially in the milder West Greenland current. A large part of the Greenland fauna is associated with marine-based food chains, including large colonies of seabirds. The coastal areas of Greenland are rich in wildlife. You can encounter marine life like seals, whales, and diverse bird species. The land is also home to Arctic foxes, reindeer, and polar bears in some regions. During the short summer months, the tundra comes to life with vibrant wildflowers and mosses. The Arctic flora adds a splash of color to the otherwise icy landscape. Tourism increased significantly between 2015 and 2019, with the number of visitors increasing from 77,000 per year to 105,000. The Inuit culture plays a significant role in Greenland. Traditional practices such as dog sledding, kayaking, and seal hunting are still important parts of life in many communities. All towns and settlements of Greenland are situated along the ice-free coast, with the population being concentrated along the west coast. The northeastern part of Greenland is not part of any municipality, but it is the site of the world's largest national park. Greenland's geological features, including basalt columns and rock formations, add to the diverse and fascinating landscapes of the island. Visiting Greenland offers a chance to experience a pristine and otherworldly environment that is truly one of a kind. Whether you are interested in the icy expanses, wildlife, or cultural aspects, Greenland's natural beauty is sure to leave a lasting impression.